The saola is one of the world's rarest largest mammals. The saola was first photographed in the wild in 1999. They are the first mammal to be discovered in Vietnam in 50 years. The female's height is about 33 inches at the shoulder and 4.7 inches taller than shoulder height. The hair is straight, soft, and long, which is odd for an animal with montane habitats. Their eyes have round pupils and their irises look orange if light is shown on them. The horns have a resemblance to parallel wooden posts which were used to support a spinning wheel, hence the name spindlehorn. The saola's habitat is wet evergreen forests, and they prefer rivers and valleys. They seem to active during the day and night, but will rest midday, probably due to the hot midday hours. The saola eats all plants and will chew leaves after grabbing it with their tongue and putting it in their mouth instead of pulling on the leaves. It is believed that the birthing season for saolas is over 2 to 3 months. A saola in the wild can live between 8 to 11 years.
The axolotl, native to Mexico's Xochimilco, is a mesmerizing creature renowned for its extraordinary regenerative abilities. Unlike most animals, axolotls can regrow limbs, tails, and even portions of their heart and brain. They exhibit neoteny, retaining juvenile features like external gills throughout their lives. This aquatic salamander's unique physiology makes it a crucial subject in scientific research, offering insights into tissue regeneration and developmental biology. Despite their significance, axolotls face threats in the wild, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts to preserve these fascinating creatures and their potential contributions to medical and biological advancements. The narwhal, a majestic creature inhabiting the Arctic waters, captivates the imagination with its unique features. Often referred to as the unicorns of the sea, narwhals are medium-sized toothed whales, easily distinguished by the long, spiral tusk extending from their upper jaw. This elongated tooth, which can reach lengths of up to 10 feet, adds an air of mystique to these marine mammals. Scientists believe the narwhal's tusk serves multiple purposes. It may be used in mating displays, as a tool for breaking through ice, or even as a sophisticated sensory organ, helping the whale navigate its icy environment and detect changes in water salinity and temperature. Narwhals are social animals, often found in groups called pods. These pods can range in size from a few individuals to several hundred. The whale's preference for icy, remote regions, including the Arctic and Russian waters, adds to the challenge of studying.
This is flamingo bird. You're probably shocked and thinking that this flamingo is hurting another flamingo while the chick feeds on the blood. But these flamingos are trying to feed the chicks simultaneously. The red substance you see isn't blood, but red crop milk, which they produce in their digestive tract and regurgitate to feed their young. Crop milk is a secretion from the lining of the crop made up of protein and fat-rich cells, and is part of the Erie Canal where food is stored before digestion, which effectively means they are feeding their stomachs before the chick can start eating solid food. Flamingos are filter feeders. They only feed with their heads upside down. They fill their beaks with water and sift out the edible organisms such as plant materials, small insects, shrimp, and fish. They get their pink or bright red color from eating algae that contain carotenoid pigments. And that's why flamingo chicks have grayish-white feathers, since they can't feed themselves yet.
The platypus, an icon of Australia's unique wildlife, is a fascinating creature that defies traditional mammalian norms. With its duck-like bill, webbed feet, and sleek body, the platypus presents an intriguing blend of features. As one of only 5 species of monotremes, it lays eggs rather than giving birth to live young. The female platypus nurses its offspring by secreting milk through specialized mammary gland ducts. Another distinct trait, a master of aquatic life, the platypus employs echolocation to locate prey underwater. Using its sensitive bill, it detects the electrical impulses generated by the muscle contractions of aquatic invertebrates. Despite its semi-aquatic lifestyle, the platypus constructs elaborate burrows along riverbanks for shelter and protection. The platypus remains a symbol of nature's diversity, embodying the marvels of evolution in its unconventional anatomy and behavior, contributes to the country's status as a haven for extraordinary.
The vaquita, the smallest and rarest porpoise species, faces imminent extinction with fewer than 10 individuals remaining. Endemic to Mexico's Gulf of California, vaquitas suffer primarily from accidental entanglement in illegal gill nets used for fishing toruba, a critically endangered fish. Vaquitas, recognizable by their dark eye rings and small size, are incredibly elusive, complicating conservation efforts. These marine mammals have a distinct, high-pitched vocalization, aiding researchers in tracking and studying them. Despite international conservation attention, Vaquitas' population decline persists, emphasizing the urgent need for effective measures to eliminate illegal fishing practices and preserve their unique ecosystem. The plight of the vaquita underscores the broader challenges faced by marine species in the face of habitat degradation and human activities, highlighting the importance of global cooperation to protect our oceans